Today I'm going to talk about pressure switch, and this video is for vehicle owners, drivers, fleet managers, brought to you by Timemo Auto Global Limited. So today's topic is never you bypass pressure switch. I repeat, never you bypass pressure switch. In our normal air conditioning system, pressure switch is a safety device that protect your AC system and also your compressor. We have two pressure switches. One is the high pressure switch and the other one is the low pressure switch. They protect the system from one, low refrigerant, bracket loss of lubrication. If the system is low on refrigerant, that means there is a leakage in that system, and where the refrigerant is leaking out from, oil will also will be leaking out from there. So the low pressure switch will protect the system. It will protect your compressor not to cut in. Reason being that oil that's supposed to come back to lubricate your compressor is also leaking out from where refrigerant is leaking out from. So the low pressure switch will help that system, or will help that compressor not to start, in order not to cause grounding, which will lead to black death. Number two, excessive high pressure. If there's a high pressure in the system, the high pressure switch will stop that compressor from operating. And what will cause high pressure? Number one, if you recharge too much refrigerant in the system, it will cause high pressure. Number two, if your condenser fan is not working, it will cause high pressure, because at the condensing level or at the condensing unit, the high pressure and high temperature refrigerant passes through there. So the high temperature is supposed to be taken care of at your condenser. And of course, condenser cannot achieve that alone without the help of condenser fan. So if your condenser fan is not working effectively and the system is fitted with high pressure switch, then good luck to you, because the high pressure switch will help the compressor not to start. The reason why I attack this topic, never you bypass pressure switch. If you bypass the pressure switch, this particular phase will not take place, and the end point will be at your compressor. It will back down your compressor. And number three on my list, system damage will cost you expensive repairs. So never you bypass pressure switch. It is a safety device to the system. The system is fitted with low pressure switch and high pressure switch. The low pressure switch will protect the compressor not to engage or not to start if there is a leakage in that system. The high pressure switch will protect the compressor also not to start if the system is being recharged too much with refrigerant that is overcharging, or if your condenser fan is not working, because at the condensing stage is where the compressed refrigerant to a high temperature is supposed to be cooled down and further help it to change the state from gaseous to liquid. So I want to believe that these few tips are useful. Kindly share it and also follow our page for more normal air conditioning tips. Remember, knowledge saves cost. See you tomorrow.